53 Ford F100 project. So got the truck wired, put on a new starter, changed the, upgraded the starter solenoid. It was off the old 6-volt system, updated it to the 12-volt system. The truck is now 12 volts, it's been 12 volts. Had some issues that it wouldn't start. In spite of the new starter, I couldn't get juice to the starter. I'm using an American Auto Wire kit for 53 to 56 Ford F100 pickup truck, and this is the wiring coming out. Everything is wired. So this is a manual transmission. I do not have a neutral safety switch as you would have in a automatic transmission. So American Auto Wire has this picture here discussing these two purple wires from branch 2. Branch 2 is the stuff that goes to the engine compartment with the power. So my truck is wired, got the ignition. Since I didn't have a neutral safety switch, I didn't include these two wires, but these two purple wires, note for those of you who may be upgrading your truck but have still have a manual transmission that do not have a neutral safety switch inside the column. These other two wires here are 12-volt ignition, power for the backup lamp switch. Again, this truck does not have backup lamps, so I don't need that. But these two wires, if you have this setup, there is a starter solenoid wire, and then there is a another purple wire that is neutral safety switch. Those two wires have to be connected together in order for the truck to start. Otherwise, you won't get power to the starter, and you won't be able to get any voltage there. So just a tech tip for those of you who may be doing this. Again, make sure you make these two wires together securely. You can solder them, you can use a connector, but make sure they're secure.